Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to export to GIF in Shotcut, convert videos to GIFs, Shotcut tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open Shotcut onto your device and add in the clip when you want to convert it to GIF. So I have this one already added in here, and for us to be able to do so, we'll have to click onto the export button here onto the part to proceed. Right after that, here under presets, we're gonna scroll in here until we find in the option which is intermediate, and then right after we should be able to select this format which is MPEG-4. So if you click onto that, right after click on advanced here so that we could adjust more onto the settings. Now here on format, instead of this one, we're gonna choose until we find in the specific option which is here. Click onto that. Right after, we'll have to go ahead and adjust also the frames to its lowest. Right after changing the format, we're gonna head here on audio, and since this is a GIF, we're gonna go ahead and disable that one as well. And once done, just click onto export file in here, and then go ahead and try to add in its file name. So we're gonna use that one out, click on save, click on yes, and we should go ahead and see that one is in process in here. As you can see, there's a check mark already, and you could go ahead and try to check onto the folder wherein you have saved it if the GIF is already available there. And as you can see here onto my downloads folder, I have already in here the GIF that we just recently exported. And that is how you could go ahead and export a GIF in Shotcut. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.